Hello everyone and welcome to our presentation on artificial intelligence. What does the future of medical imaging entail? So, now why AI? AI at the current moment is growing at a fast pace and enhances accuracy and efficiency in medical imaging technologies. As image analysis isn't done by humans, it leads to more consistent results at a faster rate. So you might be asking yourselves, how is it able to achieve said results? This is done via feature analysis, multi-alias segmentation, and similar models using combined data to quickly detect abnormalities, machine learning via neural networks in AI, drawing inspirations of neuron in our brain, deep learning for both segmentation and classification, so that's via sharing data from pre-trained models to boost performance, convolutional neural network interpretability, which increases reliability of AI, via notable techniques such as saliency maps and gradient methods, interpretation and understanding, when that basically improves disease understanding via past data and imaging informatics. So how efficacious is AI at the present time? Studies show differing results, where one shows that it significantly enhances diagnostic capabilities, whereas others suggest that there is not sufficient evidence to deem that it is effective. The overall arcing theme within these studies suggests that with further research and standardized diagnostic methods, it will most likely be standard in the near future. So now I'll pass it on to Raymond to discuss innovations and advancements, as well as the cost and accessibility of AI technologies.
Medical imaging has long been an essential process for the diagnosis and treatment of a wide range of medical conditions. Beginning with the X-ray and advancing to techniques such as CT and MRI, there's now been an introduction of artificial intelligence, in particular deep learning, that has revolutionized the field of medical imaging. Radiomics is a specialized application that analyzes images by utilizing the power of AI to identify and help interpret complex patterns in medical images. It is already enhancing diagnostic accuracy for conditions such as lung and breast cancer by predicting how patients will respond to certain treatments. Deep learning enables machines to process, classify, and identify images, as well as identify small and subtle details that would usually be missed, therefore offering healthcare professionals critical insight that can lead to more personalized and precise treatments. What makes this an innovative advancement is its potential to reduce diagnostic times, increase efficiency, and even predict treatment effectiveness, allowing for more well-informed decisions. AI assists in analyzing a vast amount of medical data, detecting anomalies that require further attention, and ensuring that radiologists and healthcare providers can focus on more complex cases. Now let's talk about the cost and accessibility of AI in medical imaging. While AI-driven technologies like radiomics offer tremendous potential for improving diagnostics, there are significant cost considerations. Developing and implementing AI systems requires substantial investments in both hardware and software, including both high-performance computers and specialized algorithms. This can make the initial setup expensive, particularly for smaller and less funded healthcare institutions. In terms of accessibility, the discrepancy between well-funded hospitals and resource-limited regions is a significant challenge. While leading medical centers may benefit from cutting-edge AI tools, access to this technology in rural and disadvantaged areas can be limited due to the cost, infrastructure, and training requirements. However, as AI continues to advance and become more widely adopted, we expect the cost to decrease over time, improving the accessibility for a broader range of healthcare facilities. Efforts are already underway to create more affordable solutions, bridging the gap between innovation and accessibility to ensure that more patients can benefit from these advancements.
One of the main concerns about the diagnosis based on AI is how accurate this ones will be. Since the AI use databases, it is important to have really big databases with the information that we require to make a proper diagnosis. It is important to know also that you can't remove the human touch of the equation, in this case, the diagnosis, because it is a professional who can help, or basically is the AI who can help the professional to make a proper diagnosis. These are the limits of the technology. Since we need a lot of information and a lot of databases, it is hard to acquire this kind of information and all the politics and privacy uh, issues that have this kind of data. We have to make ethical considerations using this technology. One of the main issues is the data collection and privacy. Since the patients and the doctors have like an agreement of privacy, these kind of images used for the data collection and to make a proper database to use this technology, it's important to have like the consent of the patient to use these images. Another important issue is the accuracy in the diagnosis, but this depends basically in the state of the art of the deep learning AI and how big is the database and how well trained is the machine. Another important issue is Is this technology gonna replace the relation between the doctors and the patients? This is important because in the in the healthcare industry, it's important to have that human touch to feel that there is someone who really cares about you and your health.
Although there are concerns about job displacement, especially for roles that involve repetitive tasks, AI will redefine roles, shifting from manual image analysis to AI assisted, which requires radiologists to simply develop new skills. Additionally, new roles and jobs can emerge. AI helps radiologists by automating routine tasks like image sorting and measurements, improving diagnostic accuracy and reducing human error. It also frees up time for medical professionals to focus on other issues, which brings us to our next point of better patient interactions. As AI handles technical tasks, healthcare workers can spend more time on patient consultations. And lastly, ethical issues arise from potential over reliance on AI. AI complicates responsibility in decision making. Therefore, radiologists maintain accountability for diagnosis. As shown in the graph, demand for AI in medical devices is growing exponentially. A study demonstrated that AI learning classifiers and deep learning models improve image analysis and speeding up the development of medications. Similarly, an Omnia Health study showed how AI with mobile imaging can boost accuracy, reduce cost, and improve accessibility, especially in underserved areas. Advances in 3D imaging and functional MRI are expanding what we can visualize, aiding in surgery planning, disease progression, and tailoring treatments. Overall, the future of AI in medical imaging is set to revolutionize diagnostics, making them more efficient, benefiting both workers and patients. So, what do you think? Will AI continue to complement and enhance medical imaging, or could it one day redefine the field entirely? Thank you for listening.